What's up, guys? Seth here from Gateway Bronco. We're teaming back up with Omaze to give you the chance to win a beautifully restored vintage Ford Bronco that's fully electric. That's right, fully electric. Now, if you can't even begin to imagine what it would be like to win your dream Bronco, well, don't worry, neither could Sean, until he won.
What do you think, brother?
So not only is this your chance to be our next big winner, it's your chance to drive home our most impressive build yet. Check it out. It features a classic Brittany blue paint job with 17-inch performance wheels. The custom chestnut leather interior is loaded with modern features, and it's all powered by a Tesla battery pack. Oh, and just in case you need more convincing, your soon-to-be new Bronco also comes with an impressive 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Click the link or go to omaze.com/gateway and enter now for your chance to win a beautifully restored and fully electric Ford Bronco. Not only are taxes and shipping covered, but as a special bonus, Omaze is also throwing in $20,000 cash to spend however you want. Best of all, every donation supports the work of Big League Impact. We can't wait to get started on your new Bronco, so hurry up. Go to omaze.com/gateway, donate, and good luck.